everybody, Kelly Martin with Pennant Real Estate. This is my new listing at 265 Magnolia Woods Avenue. And I am doing a walkthrough video in case there's anybody out there that does not want to come see this in person. I fully understand it is a vacant house, but I am hoping that this walkthrough will help you guys. I will give as much information as I can rattle off the top of my head. This is not going to be very quick, so y'all stick with me because I'm having to walk through everything. So let's go to the front door. All right, this is a 3-2. When we walk in, this is a den that was added on in the 80s with these gorgeous built-in bookcases. It's a very nice size. French doors leading out to the backyard. If I come back to my right, this is actually the original den or living room to the house. The floors are original and they do need a little bit of TLC, just some resanding and restaining. We walk into our kitchen and dining. These floors are new, light fixtures new, and kitchen has been upgraded. You have granite countertops. All these cabinets, let me show you. All of the cabinets, every single one of them has very nice organization. This beautiful craftsmanship. These cabinets are great. Sorry for the loud noise. All of them have organization. You have a gas range, very nice appliances, and like I said, beautiful granite and backsplash. So all this was upgraded. Oh yeah, and this island comes with it too. This island can be moved around and these drawers open up. Hang on. The joys of video. You can open it up that way and they slide out on the other side too. So this comes with it. All right, kitchen. Off the kitchen is your huge laundry room. I love this thing. The washer and dryer and this wash sink do remain. You get all this cabinet space up here. Lots of storage. Like place to organize all your cleaning stuff. And these floors are new too. And this is your huge pantry. So it's right off the kitchen. Again, lots of space. And then over here as well is a full bath. Sink, shower, toilet, and storage. Okay, let's go back through the kitchen. And we're in the original part of the house. So this house is, the bones of this house are about 45 years old, and these are the 3 bedrooms. They're all next to each other. Right here. And the bathroom. It's got the vintage tile, which I like personally. Okay. Let's go back out this way. So this is the main house. So what I'm about to show you is that this house comes with an apartment. So we're gonna go out here. It's attached, but it has its own separate entrance. So off the porch is this door that actually goes into a garage. This garage door, fully functional. They kept this so that they could have storage. They didn't want to eat up all of it. And you can park like a lawnmower or something in here. You have your attic access. And then look at this white thing. Okay, I can't get the switch just yet, but that is an elevator. So you can bring this down, load up, I think about like 250 pounds on it, and load all your stuff up so you're not having to haul it up the stairs. How fantastic is that? I'm sorry, before I get to the apartment, I gotta take you into the shop. So you have an organized shop here with a window unit. So all your tools can go here and you can close it off and be in peace and quiet if you want. Don't men like that, I think? All right, so here's the apartment. This is an ADA compliant apartment with a kitchenette. It was very beautifully done. You have a Mitsubishi Slim Air that is considered central air. It's not considered a window unit. But look how beautiful this is. Closet over there, a little bit of an entryway, enough for your bed. Little TV to go over here. Like I said, your kitchenette. Very beautifully done. And full bathroom. There's your shower. This is wheelchair accessible. Right here. All right, I'm trying not to make this video run too long, but I'm already on 5 minutes, I see. So I'm sorry, guys. All right, I'm going back to the house so I can go to the backyard, and that'll be the last thing. Just so you know, that's your view from the front yard. Beautifully landscaped. We just did all this landscaping like 2 weeks ago. And the size of this yard is like an acre. So you have tons of land. Let's go out the French doors. Hang on. And look at this yard, guys. You have a back patio. And by the way, if you're into the zombie apocalypse, you think that's gonna happen, well, this is a house for you. This stays, this comes with it. It's all yours. Anyway, this is your yard. Look how beautiful. This water garden right here is meant to house like hummingbirds, butterflies, and just all the things that are beautiful with nature. It was designed that way. So anyway, this is 265 Magnolia Woods Avenue. We're listing at $265,000. We should be going live, Wednesday. And if you have any questions, let me know. What's up? Hey. Get your realtor to ask me any questions, and I will have everything uploaded on the MLS. Utility information. There is a HOA, but it's not required, and it comes with clubhouse access if you choose to pay into that, with a community pool. This is a really close-knit neighborhood, and I think that whoever buys here is really going to love this. This apartment's going to come in handy if you have aging parents that you would like to live with you, or if you have a college student that you want to get some extra income. Also, last thing before I shut this off, this cable antenna is not in service, but this thing is vintage. It's a little piece of history. And they've had movie productions call and want to film the house simply for this antenna right here. I like it. If you don't like it, it's fine, but I think it's pretty cool. All right, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.